Today we are here by Great Bay Beach. I'm here on the wharf. Look at the background there. It's a beautiful day today. So I said I was gonna come out and show you around. Today I walked Front Street and also I did half of the boardwalk, but I'm tired, so we'll continue the other half another day. But I just want to show you how beautiful it looked today. Look over there. Look at that water. That is real, guys. No filter. We are now on the boardwalk. This is the head of town.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are looking for some sun, sea and beautiful weather, well, look no further. Our featured destination is the beautiful island of St. Maarten, and we share beaches, places to go and some culture in between. If you are new here, please subscribe and join the family. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are informed when I drop new videos. Please also leave us a like and comment down below. We love hearing from you. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Hi, how are you? Hello. Just pass by to say hi. How you doing?
I'm good, baby. You?
I'm good. I'm
Nice.
good.
It's a long time.
Yeah, been a while. Just good.
You good?
Just hailing you up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
A long time, eh? Yeah?
We coming back soon.
You coming back soon?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring her with me.
All right.
Your
no
friend.
problem, baby. A friend, eh?
All right,
Tanya,
later.
nice to see you, baby.
Okay. It's pretty empty today, but it is a beautiful day. So if you can see behind me, look at the water, how beautiful it is. So I'm here on the wharf once again, one of my favorite places to come. And we have a few cruise ships in the background. Let me turn around and show you. There they are. There are the cruise ship in the background there, right there. We have three cruise ships right now there in the background. So today's a beautiful day. If you look behind me, today is beautiful. There's some cruise ship. Yeah. So beautiful. Music is playing in the background.